Following the band, approaching the saluting dais is the Indian Air Force marching contingent comprising 4 officers and 144 airmen. And on top of the Kartavya Path, you can see the Sindoor formation now flying over the skies, comprising 2 Rafale, 2 Sukhois, 2 MiG-29, 1 Jaguar fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Formation led by Group Captain Raghuvanshi. The contingent on Kartavya Path of the Indian Air Force led by Squadron Leader Jagdish Kumar. Other officers, Squadron Leader Nikita Chaudhary, Flight Lieutenant Prakhar Chandrakar and Flight Lieutenant Dinesh as supernumerary officers. Each step moving forward to achieve their motto, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam.